Nagkatapok ang Kapuso stars and executives sa pagsaulog sa 75th anniversary sa GMA Network dressed in denim and diamond outfits. Present sa selebrasyon ang GMA executive sa pagpanguna ni Chairman of the Board, Advisor Chairman sa Programming Committee, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, GMA President and Chief Executive Officer Gilberto R. Duavid Jr., Executive Vice President and CFO Felipe S. Yalong, GMA Chief Marketing Officer Lizelle Maralag, ug ubang tag-as nga opisyal. Star-studded sabang selebrasyon sa ilang stylish and chic denim and diamonds outfit nila Dingdong Dantes, Alden Richards, Barbie Forteza, Michael V. ug ubang Kapuso love teams. Anaasabang personality sa GMA Integrated News, Public Affairs ug DZBB. Nagpasalamat si GMA President and Chief Executive Officer Gilberto R. Duavid Jr. sa mga trade partners sa network.
As we celebrate our diamond anniversary this year, we look back at 75 years of changes made, challenges met, and relationships and partnerships we are profoundly grateful to have built around the world. Relationships and partnerships which have enabled us to continue to grow and fulfill our unwavering commitment to serve by providing quality content to entertain, inform, and enrich the lives of Filipinos.
Maraming mga hinahandang magagandang mga programa and pelikula this year. Surprise na lang, I can't announce them yet, but a lot of big projects are in the works for our 75th anniversary.